Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to not be in pain from sitting for too long. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have been sitting for a long time and you are in pain when you get up, then that means that you need to change something about the way that you're sitting or how long you're sitting for, okay? It's very simple. I use a very simple rule, okay? Every 15 minutes that you're sitting, you want to spend about 30 seconds to 1 minute stretching in your seat. You don't have to get up for this. It doesn't have to be an elaborate stretching routine. It can be very simple, you know. Take your hands, bring them up like that, bring them back down, out to the side, back down, maybe a little bit to one side, maybe a little bit to the other side, all while you're sitting down. Maybe move your fingers like that, move your toes, and then just move your legs just like that. So every 15 minutes, you want to just move position, stretch a little bit, and maybe just move position slightly. And then every hour, okay, so every 4 of those intervals, of the 15-minute intervals, will be every hour you want to actually get up, and you want to do a stretch for about 2 minutes, okay? Now, some people might think that this, and I'll show you the stretch in a minute, but, you know, everyone's concern seems to be that this wastes some time, but I will tell you, once you've stretched, you end up working faster. So you might waste 2 minutes stretching, but you work much faster for the rest of the time, which is even better for efficiency and effectiveness, okay? So if you want to be better with efficiency and effectiveness, this is great for you. So here's the 2-minute stretching routine. You're going to just basically do this circuit and just repeat it. So what you want to do is, once again, you're going to stand up, okay? You want to get your arms, bring them out like that, to the side, a little bit further back, to the side, to the front, down. So you've now stretched out your shoulders. Okay, now we're going to just work on our back a little bit. So take your right arm and go out to the left like that. Take your left arm to the right. Right arm out to the left. Left arm out to the right. So you're basically just going like this a couple times. Very simple, like that, okay? Now you want to stretch forward and backward. I'm going to pan the camera down for this just a little bit. So you want to just bend over like that. Let your arms dangle just like that. And then come here, lock behind your back and just pull back. Like that. Oh, it feels great, just like that. Then you want to stretch your legs, okay? So we're going to work specifically on the quads and hamstrings. Take your leg, lift it up, give it a little move like that. Other leg, just like that. Then you want to do your wrists. So just little circles like that, okay? And then you want to do your ankles as well. When you're doing your ankles, just go and just roll your ankles, just like that. Ever so simply, just like that. And that's it. You want to make sure you do that specific type of stretch as a circuit for about 2 minutes every hour, and it's going to really improve your efficiency, your effectiveness, and you will not be in pain. You should not be in pain when you get up. If you are in pain, then try and do it every half an hour, because for some people they might need it every half an hour, but you know, for the most part, every hour should be good to go. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.